In this video, I'm going to walk you through how AI Carousels makes creating carousels a breeze. To get started, go to aicarousels.com and click on Create Carousel. This will take you to the Carousel editor. On the left side, you have the AI Carousel generator and template settings, while in the central area, you're able to modify settings for each individual slide. Let's zoom in a bit and explore the AI Carousel generator first. This feature enables you to generate content for your carousel automatically. Choose to create a carousel based on a topic, or use existing content like text, a website, a YouTube video, or even a PDF document. For this demo, let's make a carousel about a topic, healthy eating. It's fast, and in just a few seconds, you have your base content. Moving on to template settings, you can randomize the design until you find one you like or select a template as a starting point. After selecting a template, you can specify the social media platform you're designing for and customize each aspect of its design. In the Color Palette tab, there's a selection of default palettes, but you're also free to design your own to suit your brand. Additionally, the alternate color feature alternates the colors from slide to slide, creating a more visually engaging carousel. In the Typography tab, you can change the font size and alignment. Default font pairings are provided, and you also have the option to pick custom fonts from the entire Google Fonts library or load your own custom fonts. Some fonts look better in uppercase, so you can make your carousel slide titles stand out by enabling the uppercase titles option. Add some extra touches in the Background Design Elements tab. Choose from gradients, shapes, textures, and arrows to complement your brand. You can also customize the numerical indicators that appear on each slide from the Slides Counter tab. And under the Branding tab, you can upload a headshot or logo, add your name, or a company website, depending on whether it's for a personal or corporate brand. Now, let's fine-tune individual slide settings. Each slide allows you to enable or disable elements like the title, paragraph, background picture, etc. For the intro and outro slides, there's a text auto-resize feature. It ensures the text always fits perfectly without manual adjustments, saving you time. The option to add emojis gives your carousel a visual punch. However, if you prefer images, you have 3 options. The best stock photos, simply press search and choose from the suggestions. Can't find a stock photo that suits the slide? Enter your description and turn words into stunning, unique images with the power of AI. Are you a designer who has created something on your own? No worries. Upload your custom image. Additionally, you can adjust the background image opacity and apply the same background image to all slides for a consistent look throughout your carousel. Regular content slides offer 4 modes: text, text with image, image only, and screenshot. Images can be adjusted to fill the space nicely or to ensure full visibility without cropping in both horizontal and vertical orientations. They can also be sourced from stock photos, generated by AI, or uploaded manually. The screenshot mode adds a sleek frame to your images, which is ideal for carousels that showcase websites, and you can capture the screenshots directly by entering the URL, saving loads of time. Do you want to hide the slide counter? This can be done for any slide. Review each slide in detail, and when you get to the outro slide, note that it's designed similar to the intro but with the addition of a call to action input. If the text needs tweaking, the AI writing assistant is there to help. Selecting the text will display a menu with options such as improve writing, rephrase, fix spelling and grammar, make shorter, and simplify language. You can also provide custom instructions, all with a single click. Save your carousel's progress by clicking the Save/Load Progress button on the top menu. When everything is finished and set up, just hit the Download Carousel button to get your carousel. Once the download begins, you'll be prompted with the AI caption generator. The topic is always pre-filled by default with the relevant title, so you just need to click Generate Caption. And just like that, you have the fastest way to create a captivating carousel, caption included.